Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Bitcoin update for the second part actually. And right now, in the morning I made one video if the weekend is gonna be dumpy or if it's gonna be pumpy. And today I was actually speculating that Bitcoin is looking to go to the upside. And I was talking about this potential, bull flag. And I think Bitcoin has made its move. Okay. Now from here, as I said today in today's video, that you take this top to the bottom right there, and this is where you're breaking out. So it seems like Bitcoin is actually taking you all the way to 44,252, and that's your technical target out of a bear flag. So it's gonna be a very brief update here. No big fancy stories, but I think it could actually come a little bit down here to the 40,700, and then boom, you go upside there. But who knows? You can get so bullish, you just go to the upside and continue with the journey with the uptrend. Okay, so to me, this is very clear breakout to the upside. There's no downwards direction at this point of time. It has done it. It's finished. The story has ended. And if you guys are impressed with how I'm doing all this predictions, you guys can actually check out the course that I've made for you. And today is the last day for $29. From tomorrow it's gonna be a different price, so it's discounted right now. Do check it out. I'm gonna see you tomorrow with tomorrow new update. Allah Hafiz.